that to stop again?
Yeah, it does.
Oh shit, that just goes into the fan. That's gonna make it into the bloopers there.
It's gonna make any difference whatsoever, but let's undo it anyway. What have we got to lose? Guess what? Yep. Now what's stopping us? I think we're gonna have to remove these CDI boxes.
Okay, I've got some cinematography shots. Just gonna get a few more. Okay, I'll come back over and just.
I think I'm gonna pull this here off as well. I'm just gonna have to keep stripping until I can get at it.
Camera angle has moved to the box.
Do you want to grab the bigger one on that?
Bigger one than that, yep. Yeah, so Jason just adjusted the camera.
Oh, it's just there. And
Yeah. I'm putting together so many videos later. I'm gonna have to have so many cups of coffee to keep me awake. Yeah, Dare. Sponsor us.
he wants Dare, I want Icebreaker. And that's going to be one of our competitions. Dare versus Icebreaker challenge.
Yes.
Which one will be better for lubricant whilst doing burnouts?
Sounds like a challenge, Jace.
Sounds like a challenge to me too. Alright.
We'll have to put that to the test one day.
There's our container thingy.
Yep, I just have to move the camera. Okay. You need to put it in there, Jace. Oh, shit. There goes that.
Yeah, you can drop it in there?
Yep.
I think there's another one around here somewhere. I'll have to. Not much already in there. Alright.
Are you looking for this bit here?
No.
Or the nail bit?
No, it's still working on this. Trying to get all this out of the way. Alright, this one here now. I'm just feeling for anything that I can think it's attached to that might hinder me taking this out. Alright, so where's that other one?
Oh well. Bleep it out anyway.
That's it.
Or just cut it out anyway.
Just cut it out. Get the grinder. That's another one of our catchphrases we can use. Here we go, look. And stopping that.
Looks.
That one.
Yep, right there.
Everything's just like hand loose on this bike. It's crazy. We definitely got a lot of tightening to do when we put it back together.
Indeed.
Make sure lots of Loctite and proper washers and.
You know what we could do, Jace? Just quickly go live and say we're filming a video, but like just show it from this angle now, and just be like, yo guys, we're filming a video, be prepared, it's going to be up in like, I don't know, a few days or something, after editing.
You can do a post. You've seen how people do posts?
Yeah.
And we could post like an upcoming...
Righto, just stay still, we're holding it like that, Jace, how you were. Just stay still with it. I'm going to get a photo of it too, 1 sec. Okay, Matt, just got a few.
Okay, so look at all these broken wires, man. Ooh.
Shit.
So those.
Wow.
This is all our battery system and shit. That's not real good, dude.
Cool, I just got a few photos, like still photos of it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to post that to Facebook later with a thing saying, this is like a little sneak peek of what we're doing. Stay tuned.
What are we up to?
You'll have to wait until next Friday or something. Next Tuesday. I don't know. We'll have to figure out dates and stuff. I'll bring my book over later, Jace. Like my schedule book.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Like, it's like where I've got all my passwords and shit. And yeah, I'll bring that over later, and I'll start a like schedule bit in it, like uploading schedule, like editing schedule, filming schedule all together, and then I'll put bits where like
this is chaos.
And then I'll put like other stuff, like I don't know what I was gonna say. Don't worry.
We've got that. Why is it not coming out for me? Yeah, that's why. There's still connected. Friggin' hoses and start. We don't need that. We only need that out of the way anyway. Now look what's happening, huh?
Getting there.
Getting there. Still stuck somewhere over this side. Alright. Alright, we're off the thing. We just got to get out of the frame now. Which is where I gotta work out. This is where it's fun and games, see?